Hello and welcome everybody. Here we are with part 56 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's amazing 101 ways to transform your life. Part 56. This one is an amazing principle. He talks here about getting rid of your personal history. Try to strip away your entire personal history and go out into this day fully living in the present moment. So this one is really important to me because I think so many people live in the past and they tell themselves this story like, oh no, how can my new trading system, for example, succeed if I failed at the last 50? Why would this one be any different? How can I be somebody who's good at public speaking if I have botched public speeches for the last 40 tries? How can I be good at this if I was a screw up as a kid? Or how can I be good at this if this was the case? And they keep trying to drag themselves around with their personal history the way it is, undoctored, unfiltered. They just try to say, my past self defines me, the wake drives the boat, and that's what moves me forward is my past. And he's saying, no. The past really hinders you here, okay? The past is stopping you from really achieving what you want to achieve because people have this manure in the past and they take it and spread it all over their body and they're like, why do I smell so bad? He has a good part about that in one of his other videos and stuff. Just some amazing stuff here, because when you get rid of your past, you're no longer concerned about it. I'm going to go back to my shark and sheep idea here. If you're wondering where I'm getting my shark and sheep idea, I'm getting it from Futurama, so a clearly philosophical area. But it was something I thought about just because it was a funny episode and whatnot, but there's this idea that sheep are fearful, they're always turning their heads, they're always worried about the wolf coming, about somebody getting them, not living in the present moment. But the shark is not concerned about this, okay? He's always just looking forward, he's always just swimming, and he's always waiting to catch the fish. He is not concerned if he's gonna catch the fish or not catch the fish. He's just ready to catch the friggin' fish, okay? Basically, he's just prepared for it, and he's living in the present moment. If he misses it, he has no problem thinking about catching the next fish, okay? The shark really follows the rules, and that's why the shark has been around half the time that all eukaryotes have been around on this planet, you know? More than 200 million years, okay? A long time, because it's a very successful model, okay? So that's their idea here, that really, you want to have that sense of certainty in the long run. You don't want to just be all fearful about every little thing. And you can really do that if you erase your personal history. If you're just willing to say, I don't need that stuff that hasn't helped me, okay? I can just walk freely and live in the present moment. Now, this really isn't easy for human beings at first, okay? I can just tell you from my perspective, it's really hard to live in the present moment. At least it was at first when I started doing this. But the more you try to live in the present moment, the better and better it gets, because you become so much more like a child. So many children are just really happy from ages 0 through 7 almost. Now, the paradigm really of the things that are around them really kicks in around age 7, so that's kind of why some kids go from being really happy to being unhappy. But almost under any circumstances, a lot of kids are very happy around those ages because they have this not sense of the personal history that's really dragging them down. So he's saying you can get rid of this and you can live your life freely like a child can with all your intelligence. So you can be as an adult. You can be a really intelligent adult, but still live as happily and freely as a child. And to me, that seems like an amazing idea that I would go for. But I don't know, maybe you guys see this a little bit different than I do, so I will see you guys next time with part 57. We'll keep talking about this stuff because I love it. Hope you guys love it too, so I'll see you then. Bye.